again to our channel, guys. This is a Jim Pop Pro Music where you learn piano. Today's lesson is about diminished chord. What's a diminished chord? As it is called a diminution. To diminish means to make something small. So in this video, you're gonna learn how to form a diminished chord and how to apply it in music while you are playing piano. This chord is used as a passing chord because it is not stable. So this chord is also called a minor flat 5. So in this video you are going to get all of them, as we have told you that through this channel we teach you a simplified way and easier way of learning piano. So we are going to show you a formula to use while forming a diminished chord so that you can apply it wherever you want. So let's see in key of C. This is a C major chord. So if you flatten third like this, you form a C minor. Then a diminished chord, it is minor flat 5. Then we move a half step of 5. Then we form a diminished chord. Again, C major chord, C minor chord, C diminished chord. Most of pianists, they use it as 7 in the scale degree when they say this is a diminished chord. This is a B major chord, then we form B minor, then we form B diminished chord. So it is used in this progression. For example, 6 to 1, 6 to 1. Then you use, this is a 6. Then 6 to 1, 6, 7, 1. So you see, it is 6 to 1. Then you insert this diminished chord as a passing chord like this. Yeah. Then let's see another way of applying it. In this progression, this one, because diminished chord is used as a chromatic passing chord, you may insert it between two adjacent chords. So in this progression, you see that G major chord and A minor chord are adjacent chords. So you may insert a diminished chord of a key between them. So the key between G and A is G sharp. Then you form a diminished chord of G sharp. This is a G major chord. G minor, then G diminished chord. So let's insert it in our progression like this. So you get it. So this is how a diminished chord is used when you play piano. So guys, subscribe to our channel so that all the courses will reach you guys. So we love you. We'll see you in next lesson. So guys, invite your friends so that them also can get access to our piano. So guys, see ya. Thank you for watching.